Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting episode 2 of our home renovation and we are moving into the kitchen. It probably needs the most work out of anything else in the house. It's going to be the biggest job, so I'm really excited to get started. When I'm starting a project, I like to start by looking at the things that I do like about it. So here's the kitchen. I like the fact that there is enough room for an island, but I don't like the shape of this island. I want to change it and do some, have some more seating. And so in here, the floors they have to go. All the floors in the main floor getting changed, so we already planned for that. I like that the the cabinets are solid wood. They just need some TLC. They need some love. They haven't been updated. We need some drawer pulls and handles, and I don't love the countertops. They're laminate, they're dated, and they are also they're damaged. So those definitely have to be replaced, which if we're changing the shape of the island, they have to be replaced anyway. So I've kind of mapped out on the floor here I want the island to be a rectangle shape, so I've just kind of mapped out what I'm thinking. But we're gonna start off today. We need to demo the island because we kind of need to see what we're working with. We need to see if the plumbing and the electrical, because we have in the island, we have outlets and the light fixtures. This is to a light, that one's to a light fixture. This one is to a garbage disposal. That is another outlet. Good morning, it's day 2. Yesterday we did a fantastic job of tearing the kitchen completely apart and making it look like garbage. So today we're gonna start putting back together because this is a disaster. So we got the cabinets set in place. I'm pretty sure this is where I want them. And that doesn't look that bad, but this back part looks pretty bad. So today we're gonna start with the framing back here. We have to do electrical, we have to do plumbing. So fingers crossed it all goes well. Let's get to work. I feel like this is taking forever because the ground is not level, so I have to, each individual board, let me show you. So the ground is not level because we have like a bunch of plumbing work and stuff. So I have my level up here. And so I'm trying to make sure that the countertop is all gonna be level. So this is a good way to do it. Is you put your board where you want it at the bottom, and then you can see right here, you can make a mark right underneath so you can get a perfect cut so it can be level. But doing that over and over and over and over and over is taking a lot longer than I wanted it to. we've gotten nothing done on the kitchen island because, okay, so Saturday I was working on the island, and like I said in the last video, like I know a little bit about electrical, but I'm not an expert by any means at all. But I was like, I can totally do this. It's not that hard. So I'm working on the electrical, and it's not going well. The part that was supposed to be simple was not as simple as I thought it was going to be. So I may have gotten a little annoyed by it. And so I just said, I quit. Like, that's it. Burn it to the ground. It turns out, yeah, I was hangry. So moral of the story is, do not do DIY or any kind of construction on an empty stomach. It won't go well. But anyway, so I decided, you know what, like, I don't want to burn the house to the ground. That's actually the opposite of what I'm trying to do, like with the electrical. So let's just go ahead and call an electrician. Like, I'm all about DIY. I like to do things myself, but if it's ever like I don't play around with electrical unless I'm like 100% sure that I know exactly what I'm doing. Now we can get going again and wrap the island in drywall, and so we can maybe one day have a sink again in our kitchen. Like, that would be great. Oh my gosh. Guys, this may not look like much to you, but having all the plumbing and electrical done is so beautiful to me. I'm so excited. In case I ever make things look too easy, I put a hole in the brand new drywall with my drill. So yeah, that sucks, but that's okay. We'll just put some mud in it right there, and then we're gonna have a piece of trim that comes right here anyway to cover it. But yeah, was not happy about that, but we'll take care of it. Okay, we've officially reached the stopping point on this island. We have done all the plumbing and electrical that we had a little help with, But the island's gonna stay like this for a little while because we're now gonna work on the countertops next and then do the flooring. And then we're gonna come back and add all the trim to the island because I want the flooring to run all the way up there, and then the trim will sit on top of the flooring. So the island's gonna be like this for just a little while, but we've made a lot of progress. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching today's video. We have a lot of fun projects coming up that I'm super excited about. Next, I'm going to attempt epoxy countertops. I've watched a lot of videos on it and I've never done it before, so I'm super nervous, but I'm really excited about it. I hope that it looks good, so stay tuned for that video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.